I know there's a lot of similar stuff, but who's got time to try every glue on the planet? So this is what I use. Comes out really gooey, really stringy. Takes some practice to work with it because you've got to be gentle, little tiny dabs. The best part is it cures slowly, so you're not putting it on the model and then instantly worrying about getting your parts together because it's going to cure. Not going to happen. The best part is it's tacky and it cures slowly, so you can let it sit a little bit. You can have a look at your seams, and then you can grab them and make little adjustments and push things where you want before it fully cures, but while it's strong enough to hold it where you leave it. But again, this is the final positive about this stuff. When it cures, it's strong as heck. You can forget about it. It's done. So absolutely, E6000. Hit my link and get some.